Home Remedies presents Anti-Aging Serum. Look 10 years younger with this mixture. Flax seeds contain lignans and antioxidants that help in the prevention of fine lines and wrinkles on the face. Also, the fatty acids in flax seeds help in keeping the skin moisturized and smooth. The inherent quality of the flax seeds also helps in keeping the skin tight and lessen sagging with age. You can adopt a unique homemade serum to remove these dark spots and wrinkles. This special serum is made from flax seeds and vitamin E oil. Let's tell you the right way to use it on your face. Are you liking the video? If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support it. Let's see how to make the remedy. Ingredients: vitamin E oil 1 capsule or 2 to 3 drops, flax seeds 3 tablespoons, water 2 cups. Directions: first, put 3 tablespoons of flax seeds in 2 cups of water and put it on the gas. Allow the gel to boil on low heat. As the gel becomes soft and the water starts to become slightly sticky, keep it to cool down by turning off the heat. Pour this flaxseed gel in a clean, flimsy cloth. Squeeze it well in a bowl by separating the gel. Now add oil from vitamin E capsule to 1 teaspoon of flaxseed gel. Mix them well and your anti-aging serum is ready. You can make more of this flaxseed gel. When kept in the refrigerator, it lasts for 1 to 2 weeks, but it is advised to consume within 3 to 4 days. How to apply? Apply this anti-aging serum on the skin to enhance your complexion and eliminate wrinkles. Take a small cotton ball and apply it on the neck and face. Apply this gel at night for 20 minutes and then wash it off with plain water. Do not use soap. You can also leave this serum overnight, as it will help get rid of blemishes. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.